Bats have always been a subject of confusion and wonder for many. They belong to the mammal family, but at the same time they have wings and can fly. They carry a large number of diseases but don't get infected by any of them. They have eyes, yet it seems like they can't see. But why do bats have eyes if they're not able to use them? Do they ever use their eyes, or do they only rely on their sonar? Throughout history, there have been only two types of creatures that didn't belong to the bird family but managed to master the art of flying. The first type were flying dinosaurs that went extinct millions of years ago, and the second type are bats. Bats are mammals found almost everywhere around the world, including tropical and subtropical regions, deserts, farms, forests, and even in industrial and residential areas. The only places where they aren't found are the North and South Poles. Bats are highly adaptable and have managed to survive for centuries. This success is due to several reasons. Bats are highly social. Each bat mates with many others, and pregnant females form warm colonies. When it's time to give birth, generations of bats are born in these colonies. Some bat species can even fly and search for food within just 18 days. Bats have diverse diets. They can eat anything, from insects, fish, reptiles, and small birds, to fruits, nectar, and even plants. This varied diet has helped them thrive in different environments. Bats have long lifespans. For example, the brown bat can live up to 32 years, making it one of the longest living mammals. Now let's talk about the bat's vision and navigation system. When bats leave their roosts at night to find food, they emit ultrasonic waves from their mouth or nose to navigate and avoid obstacles. These waves bounce off objects and return to the bat, which then processes the information about direction, height, size, and distance. Their large ears help them process this information. Bats can even determine the speed of objects in front of them. One fascinating aspect of bat behavior is their ability to identify their babies in a colony full of hundreds or even thousands of bats, using only their smell and the sound of their cries. Interestingly, despite being nocturnal creatures that navigate using sonar, bats have eyes. Bats' vision is much stronger than humans by 3 times, given that a human has perfect vision. Bats use their eyes in normal lighting conditions, such as during the day or when the moon is full. They rely on their sonar for greater accuracy in locating prey, but their eyes are fully functional. Another common misconception is that bats harm crops. Bats play a significant role in pollinating trees and dispersing seeds. Research has shown that in areas where bats are present, crops thrive, while crops in areas where bats are excluded are heavily affected by pests. Bats help save billions of dollars annually by consuming harmful insects. However, not all bats are beneficial. The vampire bat, known for feeding on blood, consumes only small amounts of blood from its prey. But interestingly, the saliva of vampire bats contains an enzyme that prevents blood clotting, and scientists are researching this enzyme to develop anticoagulant drugs. So, it turns out we've been unfairly villainizing vampire bats, as their role in nature could also have medical benefits. This concludes our discussion on bats. If you made it this far, you're awesome. Don't forget to like, and if you have any questions or something that's been puzzling you, leave a comment below. See you next time.